Are you a complete beginner in French? Confused on how and where to start? You have landed in the right place. After trying out multiple courses both in person and online, with the help of some professional French tutors, I have prepared the easiest course for a complete beginner to start their journey as an adult. As an adult, learning a new language with grammar can be overwhelming, at least it was to me. I prefer to learn with a more passive approach, learning with practice without going into the complications of grammar. If you are someone like me, then this should be a fun journey for you. You will learn grammar without realizing that you are learning it. In this video, I'll show you how you can make sentences in French by yourself just using 5 to 7 words. And I can guarantee you'll feel confident about learning French by the end of this video. Hello and welcome to the first lesson of Confidence Booster course. In this video, we will learn to make your first sentence in French. Let's start. The first word we will learn in French is bon, which means good. And the second word, c'est, which means it is. Awesome. You just learned 2 words and I think you can already make your first sentence in French. C'est bon. It is good. Let's learn a new word and I'm sure you'll be able to make the second sentence by yourself. Fantastique. C'est fantastique. Great. Time for another one. This time, let's make the sentence a little longer. Absolument. Absolutely. C'est absolument fantastique. It is absolutely fantastic. Easy, right? Let's learn one more word and make a couple of sentences now. Ici. It means here. C'est ici. It is here. C'est bon ici. It is good here. C'est fantastique ici. It is fantastic here. C'est absolument fantastique ici. It is absolutely fantastic here. Wow, you have come a long way. So here is another word for you. Très, which means very. C'est très bon. It is very good. C'est très bon ici. It is very good here. I hope it's not too much for the first lesson. Here is the last word for you. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. This means it isn't. So, ce n'est pas ici. That would mean it isn't here. How about ce n'est pas bon? It isn't good. Ce n'est pas très bon. It isn't very good. Ce n'est pas fantastique. It isn't fantastic. Ce n'est pas très bon ici. It isn't very good here. Congratulations, you have learned 7 new words today and you almost made 15 sentences. Let's test your memory now. Let's see how many you can recall. How do you say this in French? Bon. C'est. C'est bon. Fantastique. C'est fantastique. Ici. C'est ici. C'est bon ici. So, how many did you get correct? Let me know in the comment section. Try to comment using the words you have learned today. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. In the next video, we'll learn something new. If you like our videos and want us to keep making them, you can contribute as well. Like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on our socials.